What's up guys? So today I'm gonna do a review on a Spitfire Skate Tool. Now without further ado, let's get this going. Alright, so here we have our Spitfire Skate Tool. So right here it does say Spitfire, as you can see right there. This part is for tightening your trucks, and this part is for tightening your wheels, and this part for tightening your hardware. Now, one thing I want to mention about this skate tool is that I had it for almost 2 months, and now let's get back to it. And this, as it comes off, as you can see right there. Let's go to this thing. Now this part is to tighten your Phillips hardware, and this part is tightening your Allen hardware. And I love that feature of it. I only have Phillips hardware, not Allen hardware. And by the way, you can put this thing back on. There we go. Now this thing is pretty good. I love this skate tool. It's pretty good when you're tightening your trucks. And now I'll show you how this skate tool works when you tighten up your stuff. Alright, so I'll show you how this tool works. So when you're loosening and tightening them, I think when you're loosening them, you go like that and like that. So this part is for tightening your trucks, like I mentioned earlier. So now I'll show you with the wheels. Now wheels, you use this part right here, and you can loosen the wheels or tighten. Alright, so now I'll show you how this part works. This part right there to do this. So when you do that, you can either two ways to use it. You can either loosen it up or tighten it. So that's how the tool works. Alright guys, that was the review of the Spitfire Skate Tool. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment below.